Hey Shannon, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you for speaking with me the other day and accepting this free video. I apologize in getting it out a little bit late. I fell a little behind, so I apologize for that. But in this video, we're going to go over a few tips that you guys can apply right away, and it's going to bring you more leads because your website should be like a virtual cash machine. It should be generating a ton of leads because nearly 70% of your organic leads come from this website. So it is really critical that this website be fully optimized so you can capture those leads. Okay, so we're on your website. You have a nice looking website. You do have a separate page for every service, so that's exactly what you want. Hopefully, every one of these pages has their own unique content and their own local keywords that that you're trying to rank for, because Google does not like duplicated content, and if you use the same keywords on multiple pages, you could run into issues with keyword cannibalization. So you want to make sure that you have different keywords on each page, and every page is unique in content. When it comes to ranking a website, content is key. I love this. Content is key. So you're going to need a lot of content, not just on your homepage, but throughout your entire website. But your homepage does need a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content or more, depending on what your competitors are doing. So you really don't have any on this page. So all of your content needs to be focused around your local buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching for your service. Now keep in mind, people search different ways. There's going to be different variations. So do your keyword research. Make sure you have all of the great keywords, and build your content around those. Remembering to have different words for each page. And also, if you have multiple service areas, if you're not just in Oklahoma City, you want to have separate service area pages, because that will help you to actually get found in other cities for the services that you have. So if there's search volume for the other cities you work in, build a page. And those service area pages should be like mini home pages with a little summary of each of your services, focused around the keywords for those services specific to those locations, all with their own original content. If we look at your top competitor for water damage in Oklahoma City, we have ServPro. And yes, they are a franchise, but you actually are not competing against the entire franchise. You're only competing against this specific area. And you're at a huge advantage because franchisees cannot optimize their website. They cannot add content or change their keywords or add keywords. So you guys can optimize. You can add pages. You can add tons of content and keywords and different strategies to be able to knock these guys out of the park. So it's going to be super easy for you guys to do that. And all you have to do is have more content than they do. They have a lot of content, so you're going to need a lot more than they have. Have good content with the good keywords, and then support that with search engine optimization, because the website alone will not be found online. So if we look at your current SEO metrics, you have a rating of a 3.5 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google does not trust your website, and that's 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. You only get credit for one backlink per referring domain, and not all of these are created equal. They need to be high authority related to your industry, and they need to be do follow links so that they share the power of the higher ranking sites. If we look, you only have 34 do follows, which means only 34 out of all these backlinks are doing anything remotely to help your business. You have been indexed for 54 keywords, but you're only getting 19 people to your website. So you're missing out on a ton of traffic by not being properly optimized. Now, if we look at your keywords, there's 10 spots per page on Google. So it looks like 4 keywords are on the first page. Now, some of these words are local, and like this one here is a national keyword. You want to stay water mitigation specialist. Even though it's good volume, you need to stay away from the national keywords because you're going to get false metrics. Since you do not service the entire country and you're only servicing a specific area, if you rank these national keywords and they get to the first page, 99% of that volume that ends up on your website are national customers that you can't help, and they're going to leave your website. So focus on those local buyer intent keywords instead, so when they do land on your page, you can convert them into customers. Looking at ServPro, we don't care how their website is performing. We only care about this specific location. And they have a 15 with 3 backlinks referring domains, none of which are do follows. So you just need to do better than 0. You need more backlinks and referring domains, higher quality. You do need a lot of them because you're going to have to beat all your competitors. And these guys have 42 keywords, and they're getting over 139 people to the website every month. So this is just about being optimized, utilizing your keywords correctly, and then supporting those keywords with backlinks so you can rank them and be found for your services. And the last part of this is, sorry about that, your Google My Business page. So your goal should be to be in the top 3 here because 30% of people search in the maps and don't search anywhere else. And so if you're not listed in this top 3, you send all those leads to your competition. In order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, but the most important are your citations. That's going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Stacks, and Glassdoor. So you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all the tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services and in each service area using your local buyer intent keywords supported by your SEO. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.